So the bag comes in this box. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. My name is Tlaki. So guys, today I am sharing with you guys my new bag from Coach. Guys, if you watched my vlog where I went to Coach, you probably have an idea what bag this is. So the bag comes in this box, in this bag, and they gave me quite a huge, box. I don't know why. Guys, do you have any guesses? If you watch my vlog, you should know. So I got myself a Coach Willow Bucket Bag. Here she is. Look at that. Guys, I was actually looking for a white bag. So I initially went into Coach because I wanted a swinger bag in white, that tiny bag. But when I got there, William showed me this bag and I thought, am I really going to pay 6K for that, tiny swinger bag? Whereas I could be paying 7K for this baby that fits so much and it is just super beautiful and super different. So I ended up going for this. I was actually confused between this white color and the green. You must have seen that military green, super beautiful. I believe it is military green. I'm not so good with colors. So guys, this is the bag. Like I said, it comes with 2 straps. So both straps are removable. I actually like the fact that all Coach bags, have removable straps. Both straps are removable. Look at that. So this strap is actually adjustable. So if you are a little bit on the shorter side, you can actually adjust it according to your length, to your height. And if you like me and you are not a little, but actually quite tall, so you would actually have to adjust it as well, just accommodate your height. So I am loving this bag, guys. Like I said, both straps removable. I don't know what color these straps are, but I love how they just beautifully complement this white color. This actually doesn't look white, it looks a little bit off white because of the ingrained, is it ingrained? Yes, ingrained leather. So it doesn't look like, pure white, but it is actually just white. So this bag comes with 3 compartments. So it's 1, 2, and then obviously the zipper section. I like the fact that the zipper section is actually quite huge because my entire hand fits in here. And there's also a little pocket there where you can actually throw in your phone or your receipts. You can't see it, but it's in there. It's in there. The interior of this bag is brown. Guys, this bag is just beautiful. The interior of it is brown. Do you see the threading here around the trims? Do you see that brown color? It is exactly the same color as the interior of this bag. Guys, I'm just so super obsessed with this bag. I've been waiting to just do this unboxing, to film this video so that I can actually start wearing it and I can get to do a proper review for you guys. So I like how, you guys see there, this section closes with a button. Ooh, there. It has a button closure here. And this second compartment, can you guys see? So how you close it is, you just twist. So it has that little nipple there. Is it a nipple? That little nip. It has it is written Coach. So you just twist to unlock and then, untwist to lock it. So when you lock it, you see it's very steady. You can't do anything when you twist it, when you lock it. Guys, I'm just obsessed. Oh, and another feature which I love in bags, the feet. I love bags, guys, that come with feet because you can't, you don't baby them. Unlike with, my Tappy Pillow bag, I constantly have to, when I go out, I have to put it on my lap or I have to put it on a surface that's super clean because I don't want it to, have any scratches or collect any dirt. But with bags, like this one with feet. Like there's no baby in this bag. I was actually, you know, looking for like, you know, an everyday bag, you know, something slightly bigger than my, you know, all the bags that I have, but I didn't want like, you know, a tote, like a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I didn't want something that big. I wanted something that I'll still be able to just wear when I go out. I don't like the size of a Neverfull because it's just, well, if you get the PM size, it will work for like, you know, even when you go out. But the MM size and the GM size, I find them just to be so big. So I wanted something that was a bit of, you know, an in-between, not so big, but also, you know, slightly bigger than my usual bags or all, you know, my small bags. So guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this bag, but I am obsessed. So this is how the bag sits. I'm not sure if you can see. Can you guys see that? But I'm going to do like, you know, a proper review after probably using it for a month or so. I will let you know, I will let you guys know if this bag is worth it or not, but I can already tell, like I'm already in love with the bag. So I know that this bag is worth it. Guys, my new baby, obsessed. So I will do a review pretty soon, and I will also just show you guys like, you know, what fits in when I do the review. Now I also went into Skins Cosmetics to collect my items. I actually bought these items online, guys. I bought them online. I paid for them online, but I just selected store delivery because I knew I was going to be in Sandton that week, so I knew I'd be able to just, you know, pass by the store to fetch them. So I got a hand cream. This is a hand cream. This is by Rido Mojave Ghost. This hand cream, guys, like it smells divine. Like I just love, like, you know, beautiful strong scents. So I got this hand cream, and to be honest, I thought the 30 ml would be slightly bigger than this size. Like I thought the 30 ml will come up to here. So when you buy things online, guys, like, you know, you always think the size is actually bigger, but then you get to see the item in person and you realize that it's actually small. So I was actually quite disappointed with the size. I thought 30 ml was here, but yeah, anyway, it is what it is. And I also got a fragrance, Mojave Ghost again. So a couple of months back, I went into the store, I got the samples for the Mojave Ghost, and I ran through those samples so fast. So guys, this fragrance is not so, it's not overpowering, it's not, you know, domineering, it's not too strong. It smells very fresh. It smells like, you know, it smells luxurious, it smells expensive, you know, but it's not too in your face. And that's why, guys, I bought it. Like after I used the samples, I knew this was the next fragrance I was going to get. I have already obviously unwrapped this. It came like, you know, beautifully wrapped, guys. Like, you know, Skins Cosmetics, like, you know, they wrap their items beautifully. So I just removed the covers and the wrapping. So this is the fragrance. Also, when I went in store, I thought the 50 ml was slightly bigger than what I'm seeing here, like what you guys are seeing here, rather. I thought 50 ml was slightly bigger than this because I remember what I saw in store was actually 100 ml. So I thought that 100 ml was a 50 ml. So now I'm sitting on this thing. Do you see how small it is? It's 50 ml, but I think I'll probably be going back soon for like, probably like, you know, 100 ml because this, guys, guys, it smells so fresh. It smells luxurious. Like it smells like a person has real money. It smells of wealth. Mojave Ghost by Rido. I certainly recommend this fragrance, especially if you have sinuses. If you have sinuses and, you know, you don't like, you know, strong fragrances, go for this. It's very, it lasts on your skin. Like it sits on you. You don't have to spray like, you know, 5 times. Like just a little bit here and there and, you know, on your wrist, you will smell beautifully the whole day. And I also got a body lotion by Francis Cote Dijon, Mr. Mason, Francis Cote Dijon. You guys know the fragrance, right? Like, you know, the Mr. Mason Francis Cote Dijon fragrance. Everyone and their mothers and their sisters and their grandmothers, they use that fragrance. So I feel like, you know, with such fragrances, honestly, if you don't want to smell like everyone else, it is such a beautiful fragrance. It's also not too overpowering. If you have sinuses, also, like, you know, it doesn't really affect you. It doesn't give you a headache. It's such a nice fragrance. But with a fragrance like that, like, everyone uses that fragrance, guys. So the best way to use that fragrance is to layer up with, you know, a totally different fragrance. You know, the fragrance, the smell, the scent will still be there. You'll still smell super fresh, but it will just not be just Mason, Francis, you know, Baccarat Rouge. Like, it won't just be the Baccarat Rouge, you know, scent. So, you know, it will be a combination of Baccarat, you know, with maybe like, you know, Barrier Mojave Ghost. Just layer up fragrances. Learn how to layer up fragrances just so that, you know, you don't smell like every other person, you know, in a room. So I got the body lotion instead. The body lotion is obviously slightly cheaper. I think this is 1.2, whereas with the fragrance, if you go for a 50 ml, you're looking around 4.6, and the 100 ml, I believe, is around 6 point something, somewhere there. So, yep, that's what I got. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do comment below. Let me know what you thought of my purchases. Let me know what you thought of my new beauty, my new bag. Please comment below and make sure to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed. Mwah.